How to use Munich Re Disability Insurance Germany properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Munich Re Disability Insurance in Germany is designed to replace part of your income if illness or injury prevents you from working. Many policyholders make mistakes that can reduce coverage or risk claim denial. Most people get this wrong because they assume all disabilities are automatically covered, and the surprising truth is, they are not. A common mistake is misunderstanding the definition of disability. Some Munich Re policies cover only your own occupation, while others cover any occupation. Choosing the wrong definition could leave you with limited benefits if your disability affects only your current role. Ignoring the waiting period is another frequent error. This is the time before benefits start. Longer waiting periods reduce premiums but leave you financially exposed. Shorter periods increase costs but provide faster support. Aligning it with your savings and monthly expenses is key. Underestimating benefit amounts is another trap. Coverage should reflect your income, living costs, and financial obligations. Choosing too low a benefit may save money upfront, but leave you underprotected if a serious illness or injury occurs. Skipping optional riders is another mistake. Munich Re offers riders such as residual disability coverage, cost of living adjustments, and future increase options. Foregoing these can reduce flexibility and long-term protection. Finally, providing incomplete or inaccurate medical or occupational information can jeopardize claims. Munich Re requires full transparency during application and claims. Misreporting or omitting details may delay or even deny benefits. By avoiding these mistakes, Munich Re Disability Insurance Germany can provide reliable income protection. Understand your policy's definition of disability. Select the right waiting period, set sufficient benefits, consider optional riders, and always provide accurate information to safeguard your financial future.